It's probably too late to change, but it should help me out a little bit because dealing with this fiberglass is super itchy. What's happening, baby? Living the dream! Yeah! What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Living the Dream. So, I'm Stanley 7. I'm all about living the dream. This video is all about me finishing up my roof rack. It's in the background. I got some stuff on top of it. I'm gonna pull it out. I fiberglassed it in the prior video. I just pretty much built it, and I had put some fiberglass on there. I got it all fiberglass. I'm undecided on if I should leave it painted, like gate painted, or gate sprayed with like bed liner, or gate graphic wrap. Y'all let me know in the comments below, but let me go ahead, pull this out, get y'all set up, and let's start working. All right, guys, so I did a whole bunch of sanding, and I got this side right here. You can see I got some hollow spots, cracked spots more or less. And these spots right here, I got one there, there, and one here. And what happened is pretty much when I fiberglass to get completely smooth, I had a little bump right there, a little air bubble, more or less saved. So I sanded it, but I have some fiberglass bondo, car bondo. I'm gonna fiberglass car bondo all those spots, make sure they're completely fiberglass inside the little cracks to hold everything, to give it a nice good seal, to seal it all off. Then once that's done, then I'm gonna finish sanding everything. I'm gonna put bondo, regular car bondo, in certain spots and get it all nice and smooth. Then I got some spray paint. I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it black, some primer black, and pretty much it'll be done, you know, for the time being. Yeah, I could do a couple of other little things, but that's my game plan. So let's see how it comes out. So far, it's come out real good, but it's hot. Playing with fiberglass is not fun sanding. All right, guys, so I got it all bondoed, but I let it cure, and for the time being, while I was letting it cure, I went jump in the pool and put me on some long sleeve shirts, some long pants, because this fiberglass is probably too late to change, but it should help me out a little bit because dealing with this fiberglass is super itchy. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lift up the shell. I'm gonna lift up the shell, put it on the table. You know what? I won't lift it up and put it on a table. I'm gonna leave it on the ground. I'm gonna go ahead, start sanding the bondo, get it real nice and smooth, and keep repeating the process until it's completely nice and smooth. Then we're gonna paint it like I've been saying. All right, that sanding and bondoing is taking absolutely super duper long. Longer than what I expected. Done with the bondoing, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw some paint on it. The reason I'm gonna throw some paint on it is because I am new to this, and I find if I put some paint on it, it might help me see the holiday spots. And I'm undecided on if I'm gonna wrap it, what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna give me time to have some type of protection on it for the meantime. So let me throw some paint on it. Guys, so I got one coat of black on the sides and it already looks pretty cool. I think I know what I'm gonna do with the outside painting or graphic wrap. Pretty much I'm probably gonna go ahead and just do like bed liner. They got this product called Raptor, and my buddy, he used it for his Jeep. It worked out really awesome. So I'm probably just gonna Raptor bed liner this because it's gonna give it that more of a aggressive look. Because I'm not done with it, I'm actually gonna be adding to the top of it even some more for the kayaks to be able to fill top. So I'm gonna go ahead, call this quits, let y'all stay tuned for this. This is part 2. So if you missed part 1, go ahead, hit the link up above. Till the next video, stay living the dream.